Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a 2012 390 Sport Yacht by Intrepid Powerboats. I'm going to walk you through it.
This 390 Sport Yacht by Intrepid Powerboats is extremely popular. With its impressive wide 12-foot beam to its spacious cockpit layout, this sport yacht will have you enjoying every moment on the water. She is powered with triple Mercury 300 horsepower outboard engines, bow thruster and stern thruster. Starting from the transom, she has a freshwater flush system, a port transom door for easy access, a removable bench seat, rod holders on the gunwale, spreader lights under the hardtop, steps to the gunwale, and we cannot forget Intrepid's signature fold-out dive door. The helm seat is Intrepid's Ultra-style bench with dual pedestals and footrest. At the helm, you have a hideaway actuating electronics dashboard, plenty of electronics like chartplotter, depthfinder, VHF, horn, and spotlight. For the TV fans, you'll never miss out on your favorite sport game or show while out at sea because she has a satellite track vision system. While under shade, your guests will enjoy bench seating forward of the console. The starboard side is large with an electric backrest to adjust at any level. There's a port side bench, drop-in cooler, and refrigerator. You want protection from the weather? A 3-sided enclosure is appreciated. Walking down into the cabin, you will notice a forward fixed bed. Port side is a couch to convert into a bed. Starboard side, there's a galley with a storage, microwave, and hideaway sink. You'll always stay cool with blowing air condition powered by shore power or generator. There's a spacious head with separate shower. If you want to catch a tan, there's a large sun pad at the bow with a fitted cover. This boat was made for that special family that wants to go on getaways, cruise down the intercoastal, or explore what the ocean has to offer. My name is Stephen Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.